everyone, I am Marvilyn Hipolito from grade 8 Diamond and my teacher in science is Ma'am Heidi Sevilla. For today, I will be showing you a tropical cyclone simulation. So what are we waiting for? Let's start! What we need for our experiment is a water bottle, water, and a small basin. For our procedures, fill the bottle with water, half filled. Next, turn upside down the filled bottle, covering the opening with your palm. Shake the filled bottle with circular motion or counterclockwise until a whirlpool is formed in the water. Then remove your palm on the opening of the bottle. Make sure that there's a basin beneath your palm to catch the water coming out from the bottle. For our analysis, number 1, what does the water represent? It represents the tropical cyclone. Number 2, describe the movement of the water. As what we can see in the video, the water is moving counterclockwise. Number 3, identify the different parts of the typhoon based from the movements of the water. From this video, we can see that some of the parts of the typhoon is the eye wall, inner rain bands, and outer rain bands. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.